Need to install Windows 11 fast? Let's create a bootable USB drive in just minutes. I'm passionate about tech, and today we're making it simple to set up Windows 11 on any PC, even unsupported hardware. Grab a USB drive, and let's dive in. First, we open a web browser on our Windows PC and navigate to the Rufus download page. A link to this site is in the description for easy access. Scrolling down, we find the download links and select the standard 64-bit version, which works for most users. Clicking the link starts the download. Once it's done, we open the file to launch Rufus. Next, we need the latest Windows 11 ISO file. A separate guide for downloading it from Microsoft is linked in the description. Follow that first if needed, then return here with the ISO ready. Step 2. Prepare the USB drive. Now, we plug in a USB flash drive at least 32 GB in size into the Windows PC. Rufus detects the drive and lists it under the Device tab. If it doesn't show, ensure the drive is connected properly. We then click the Select button to choose the Windows 11 ISO file. Navigating to the desktop, where the ISO is saved, we double-click to load it into Rufus. Step 3. Configure Rufus settings. With the USB drive and ISO loaded, we configure Rufus. Next, we choose between GPT and MBR partition schemes. GPT suits modern UEFI systems, while MBR is for older BIOS systems pre-2012 hardware. We select GPT for now. If it doesn't boot later, we can retry with MBR. Naming the USB drive Windows 11 helps identify it, while leaving file system and cluster size on default settings. Advanced options are skipped for simplicity. Once ready, we click Start to begin the process. Rufus prompts us to customize the Windows 11 setup. First, we check the option to remove Windows 11 hardware requirements. This ensures compatibility with any PC, even unsupported ones. We also remove the online Microsoft account requirement for a smoother install. Skipping user account creation is optional. Setting regional options to match the current PC's settings, like time and language, is selected. Disabling data collection skips privacy questions, and turning off BitLocker encryption prevents automatic drive encryption. After confirming these settings, we click OK. A warning appears that all data on the USB will be erased. Back up any important files first, then click OK to proceed. Before we continue, I need your help. I'm on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers. It's a dream that keeps me up at night, pouring my heart into these tutorials for you. Every subscriber brings me closer to that goal, and your support means the world to me. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and join the Passionate About Tech family. Let's hit 1,000 together. I believe in us. Rufus now creates the Windows 11 bootable USB drive. The status bar at the bottom shows progress. This typically takes about 10 minutes. Once complete, the progress bar turns fully green, and the USB drive's name updates to Windows 11. That's it! You've created a Windows 11 bootable USB drive. We downloaded Rufus and the ISO, set up the USB, customized the installation, and finalized the bootable drive all on Windows. Now you're ready to install Windows 11 on any PC. Did this tutorial help? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends if you found it useful. For more tech tutorials, subscribe to Passionate About Tech and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Tech fam, stay passionate, and I'll see you in the next one.